Hello, welcome to NBGI class 9th English medium subject geography. Today's topic is a climate. Climate, you have know very well the three basic elements of the earth is firstly land and water. So you have previous the two chapter you have read the two basic elements landform and the drainage system. So in this chapter climate you have the third basic element is you have read climate. Climate you have very well known कि when we have a summer season we have very hot and humid, and the winter season we have wearing the woolen cloths, and you have seen the rainy season like July and August. So the climate, what is the climate? Climate refers to the sum total of the condition and variation of the area to call to climate. Climate is refers to a sum total of conditions and the variation of the weathering conditions like 20 and 30 years called to climate. And second is a weather. What is the weather? Weather क्या होता है? Weather is a short term conditions like a few hours, weeks, some days of totals is called to weather. We have seen the changes of the weather conditions in some time, some days we call to weather, and the climate and weather conditions are same like a temperature, wind blow, atmosphere, overseas, precipitations also. So the climate and weather conditions are same. Mainly conditions जो इनके तत्व होते हैं, mainly जो कंडीशनें अप्लाई होती हैं are same. So we have seen the different type, but we have seen the some conditions. We have seen the some conditions are a few days, are continuously, few months are continuously. We have seen the season weather conditions are few times, या हम कह सकते हैं few months are same. We have read the many years of years. So we have divided the years in the seasonal system, seasons. So Indian climates are divided, Indian sphere are divided into three seasons: rainy seasons, winter seasons, and the summer seasons. And what is the type of climate? Indian climate, so we have seen the monsoon types of climate of India also. Thank you.